Attention bargain hunters! Welcome to Super Deals Alert. We're excited to present 5 top-rated lawn mowers on sale for a limited time. Before we unveil these fantastic deals, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now, let's dive into the details and discover these amazing offers together. Number 1. The American Lawnmower Company 1204-14 is a 14-inch, four-blade, push-reel lawn mower ideal for small lawns. It's lightweight at only 19 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. This eco-friendly mower operates without gas or electricity, offering a quiet and pollution-free alternative. It features an adjustable blade height of 0.5 to 1.75 inches, allowing for a customized cut on most turf grasses. Its durable 8.5-inch polymer wheels ensure smooth operation, and the cushioned handle provides added comfort during use. Now on sale for $84.99, plus enjoy free shipping. Number 2. The Wind DT1315 is a 15-inch, 13-amp electric Dethatcher and Scarifier that comes with a collection bag. It helps you maintain a healthy lawn by removing thatch and scarifying the soil. The 15-inch working width allows you to cover more ground efficiently, while the powerful 13-amp motor ensures effective dethatching and scarifying. The 2-in-1 functionality lets you switch between dethatching and scarifying modes easily, and the collection bag helps keep your lawn clean by collecting the debris. Now on sale for $134.13, plus enjoy free shipping. Number 3. The Wind DT1516 is a 2-in-1 electric Dethatcher and Scarifier that helps you maintain a healthy lawn. With its 15-amp motor, it offers powerful performance for removing thatch and aerating your soil. You can adjust the working depth between 0.2 and 0.4 inches, and easily switch between the dethatching and scarifying modes. It comes with a collection bag to conveniently gather the thatch and debris as you work, keeping your lawn tidy. This machine is user-friendly with a comfortable handle and a lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver and operate. Now on sale for $154.22, plus enjoy free shipping. Number 4. The Bucotod 2-in-1 16-inch Dethatcher and Scarifier is an electric corded lawn care tool that combines the functions of both a Dethatcher and a Scarifier. Powered by a 15-amp copper motor, it features a 16-inch working width and 5-position depth adjustment for versatile lawn maintenance. The tool also includes a 14.5-gallon thatch bag for convenient collection of debris, and is designed for walk-behind operation. This product is ideal for both yard, lawn, and garden care. Now on sale for $158.39 after discount and coupon, plus enjoy free shipping. Number 5. The PowerSmart 40V 17-inch cordless lawnmower also boasts a 5-position height adjustment to tailor the cutting height to your lawn's needs, and it features a convenient foldable design for compact storage. The included 4.0 battery and charger provide ample power and ensure you're ready to tackle your lawn maintenance tasks without the hassle of cords or gas. Now on sale for $199.99, plus enjoy free shipping. The links to these deals are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!